name is Noria and welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm going to be doing a quick little unboxing slash flavor reveal of the new Built Bars. So Built Bar, in the simplest terms that I can come up with, is that they make protein bars that don't taste like protein bars, so closer to tasting like a, I'll say, candy bar without all the bad ingredients or excess sugar. So that was one of the reasons why I did fall in love with this brand. I personally hate any and all protein bars. I cannot stand them. I do not like the texture mainly, and then the taste. So when I was introduced to the original Built Bar, I want to say back in February, I was a little skeptical, but I did try them, and so far a few of the like 4 of the flavors I've tried I've actually liked. Now I won't say I love them because, again, I don't like the texture of protein, and these definitely do have protein in them. However, they are one of the best ones I found on the market that A, don't taste too gritty, and B, has little to no sugar. That was always another thing for me. It's like some of the bars you would find would have so much sugar, you're just like, what's the point? So I am an ambassador with them. I am going to show you guys the box that was sent to me. So recently Built Bar just kind of rebranded, redid their website, redid their bars. So I honestly don't know what the flavors are, if the ingredients change, nothing. I have nothing. So before we get started, I'm going to show you guys what the old bars used to look like. So this is just a broken box of what the old packaging looks like. So the old bars, so this one is a banana chocolate cream. It used to be like a white wrapping with just the Built Bar, was probably like the color matched the flavor. Yeah, the color matched the flavor. I'm just gonna do the general 110 calories per bar, about 13 carbs, 4 grams of fat, and 15 grams of protein. Sugar, which was added sugar, was only 4 grams though. And the basic ingredient for all of these were protein mix, which is whey protein isolate, partially hydrolyzed whey protein isolate, gelatin, dark chocolate, water, erythritol, glycerin, maltodextrin, natural flavor, and acetic acid. So while the flavors could be different, which I'm pretty sure that would change the natural flavors, the ingredient list pretty much stayed the same. So that's what the old bars looked like. And then another product that they changed a little bit was their Built Boost. Now, I honestly have not had these yet. This is the old one. That is the new bag. So basically they made everything less white. They put like more, it looks like they put like more color into the design and stuff. So is there a difference between these two? The flavors changed. So the new flavors for the Boost are Root Beer Float, Red Ruby, Cool Breeze, Cloud 9, Tropical Twist, and Smooth Operator. I can only probably tell you what 3 of those flavors are. But anyway, what else is in here? What is this? Okay, so they have an energy and protein sample pack, which contains 3 flavors, which is chocolate coconut, chocolate mint, and peanut butter honey. I'm not even really sure what this is. It says it's a energy drink, pre-workout, and protein shake in one. Mighty ambitious of you. Collagen protein, 15 grams, vitamin B3, beta alanine, vitamin B12, vitamin B6, caffeine, and natural honey for taste. I'm just gonna grab a random one. This is the peanut butter honey. Honey, erythritol, roasted peanuts, water, natural flavor, mecha root extract, and sodium benzenate, and potassium sorbate. How much sugar? 8 grams of sugar, 3 of sugar alcohol. I don't know what this tastes like, so I will keep you guys updated. Now the part I'm most excited for, and I know the reason why you're here, the bars. So I will say they did pretty nice. This is as far as I opened this box. just to make sure my bars weren't melting. So it did come with a ice pack, and then they also added in this little travel bar kit, which comes with 2 little ice packs that you can put your bars in so it doesn't melt, especially in this heat. And this is the new mixed box. This is what it looks like compared to what the old one looks like. Ooh, so pretty. Crap, how am I gonna do this? So I'm gonna play it safe. I'm actually gonna do a taste test for you guys. I'm going to play it safe and just grab the double chocolate. I feel like you can't really go wrong with that as a basic bar. Now they have a bunch of other flavors, and I'll just do a close-up of them. So we have salted caramel, carrot cake with walnuts, peanut butter brownie, caramel brownie, toffee almond, German chocolate cake, cookies and cream, mint brownie, apple almond crisp. We have coconut almond, coconut, cherry, barcia, raspberry, orange. Is that peanut butter, lemon almond cheesecake, and banana bread. Ingredients wise, nothing's really changed. You still have that protein blend, whey protein isolate, partially hydrolyzed whey protein isolate, water, dark chocolate, digestive resistant metrodextrin, glycerin, erythritol, cocoa, gelatin, natural flavor, and acetic acid. I want to see how it changes between, like, so this one is the peanut butter brownie. First few ingredients are the same as when you get to the end. This one has peanut butter, glycerin, more peanut butter, cocoa, glycerin, natural flavor. Okay, so they kept it pretty much the same. It looks like the calorie range is between the bars, ranges from 110 to about 180. There could be some variation, but it would take me too long to go through all of these, but that's about what you're looking at. So the sugar range is looking to be between 4 to 8 grams depending on the flavor of the bar. So the double chocolate has 4 grams of sugar, and then sugar alcohol is 8 grams. Protein 17. Ooh, let's see how this tastes. So even though there was an ice pack, it's been hot here, so my bar is a little melted, but basically it looks like a candy bar. It smells really chocolatey, but closer like to that healthy side of chocolate, so I don't know, we're gonna see. That's what the inside looks like. This does not have the texture or taste of a protein bar. Like, that legit could pass as like a candy bar. Sorry, I'm just like talking with well, I will say it's my favorite flavor because I'm not a big, I don't know why I grabbed this one, I'm not a huge chocolate fan, but that's pretty dang good. It's a little chewy, I will definitely say. It's definitely chewy. I can see how, so I was watching a few other videos of the old ones, and I could see how some people were like, these could be a very bad thing, because they don't taste like a protein bar. They taste like, I'll say it really tastes like candy, like close to like that, satisfying that candy craving that I can see you eating too many of these. But yeah, that is pretty much my random unboxing of Built Bar. So again, they did kind of rebrand. They did change the ingredient list a little bit. They added definitely some cool flavors, but they got rid of a few favorites as well. So I guess it's a toss-up. But like I mentioned before, they recently changed their whole website. It was supposed to be launched, I think, last week, but then the site kind of blew up. So it is, I think by the time this video is out, the site should be open. So I do have a coupon code in the description box below if you guys are interested in trying Built Bar. I will have all that linked. Let me know if you have any questions. Maybe I'll do an update video if that's something you guys are interested in when I try the boost and then these energy protein sample pack. I'm still kind of baffled by these. I'm just like, what is this texture supposed to be? Because it's like a gooey like thing, and I'm just like, am I just supposed to, I guess you're just supposed to drink it, but I don't know how I feel about that. But the bars, I'm excited. There's one flavor, there's two flavors in here I'm really excited to try. We have a caramel brownie and then a carrot cake with walnuts. So I am definitely interested in that. Oh, there's another thing too. Apparently they either, because I haven't seen the site either because it has been down, but apparently there are flavors with nuts and flavors without, so you don't have to compromise that. I don't know if the flavors are the same, but I do know they have a separation between the two. So if you are allergic to nuts, you can also enjoy these products as well. Again, let me know if you guys have any questions. Also, if you tried Built Bar before, which one is your favorite? I'm still sampling through and I have a lot to sample through here. So I need to know which one do I need to savor for last. So that's all I have for you guys today. I hope you guys are staying happy and healthy, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.